And following the acrimony that surrounded the recent debate and passing of the BBI Bill in the Baringo County Assembly, a section of the residents and their members of County Assembly have now moved to court to challenge the outcome of that vote in the petition filed by lawyer Gordon Ogolla. The petitioners are also seeking to stop the speakers of both houses of parliament from acting upon a letter from the Speaker of the Baringo County Assembly at a time when more county assemblies continue with the debate ahead of the March deadline set by the handshake team. Ibrahim Karanja with that report.
Days after proceedings during debate and voting on the Constitution of Kenya Amendment Bill of 2020, also known as the BBI Bill, ended in chaos at the Baringo County Assembly, focus has now shifted to the corridors of justice, with a section of locals in collaboration with some MCAs petitioning the court to nullify the proceedings and order for a fresh process.
We have challenged the constitutionality of the proceedings of that particular day in view of the fact that, one, the proceedings were disrupted, there was violence, there was pandemonium, and secondly, on the grounds that the people were not involved, there was no public participation.
In the prayers sought in the petition filed under certificate of urgency, the petitioners state that the assembly did not give room for public participation as is required by law.
We have sought for conservatory orders that pending the hearing and determination of the petition, let the court conserve the status as it was, so that the certificate or the resolutions cannot be acted upon.
What happened was miscarriage of justice and miscarriage of rules and procedures.
If we don't get the chance of letting the people of Baringo County to read and internalize and accept or reject the bill by themselves, then we lose the point of representation.
And further claimed that a plot was hatched by a section of the House leadership to cause violence and disrupt the sessions, denying them the right to effectively take part in the deliberations. The petitioners further expressed concerns that Baringo County might lose a host of benefits they stand to gain under the BBI.
Mogotio will be scrubbed, and they are our brothers and we still need them. And it will be split and taken to Ravine and to Baringo South. So when the mover of the motion comes from Mogotio, then I wonder if the people of Mogotio will want to go out of this system.
Don't have to abandon the Constitution because of some few, or what do I call, miniature political interests. Don't throw away the baby with the bathwater.
Hallelujah. Yes.
You get your baby, you get the bathwater and throw it away.
Yes.
They have also pointed an accusing finger at a section of politicians who they say are only serving their greed and selfish political interests to the detriment of the electorate and other residents of Baringo County.
The views given by those leaders who say they are representing their people are the views of their husbands and wives.
So what we want to instill in Baringo County Assembly is adherence to the law. The Speaker and the clerk are not above the law.
It is a suit that may largely be seen as that of a section of Baringo County residents challenging the legality or the illegality of the process at the County Assembly. But to those who are looking at it from the legal and political eye, the decision by this court may as well set the precedents, even as the race to approve or disapprove the BBI Bill at the County Assemblies continues. Ibrahim Karanja, KTN News from Kabarnet, Baringo County.
Now let's see what happens in the next.